So what is up, guys? I'm sorry that I can't do nothing but blackbird hunt and sparrow hunt, mainly because because of the coronavirus, I can't go anywhere. I'm quarantined. I just went to Florida and got back. I mean, I would be very happy to show you guys some videos in Florida, but I just really don't feel like filming. And I took a couple shots at some blackbirds. I took like 2 or 3, and I missed. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of them right above me. I'll try and get them on camera here. There, right there. There's little black spots. Pretty neat. I get to be this close. I'm gonna set this down, and the heck, the glare. So, okay, I'm gonna try and take a shot. Sorry about that. They flew away. So hopefully they'll come back. It's only about, I don't know, like 7:20. They usually come around here about 7:50. I'll try and pluck them off as they come, but I mean, if it was blackbird season, not blackbird season, blackbird season open all flipping year. If it was rabbit season, heck, I'd be blasting rabbits' head off. Like now this is their breeding season. I know it's spring and stuff, and there's like way more of them around my part. I just go in these pine trees right over here, and it's a pretty nice pine tree. There's a decent amount of pine trees back here. And like earlier, I just spooked up a dove. Said I can't shoot them either. Those are good eating. Are you kidding me? I walked over like 3 or 4 blackbirds. Now I gotta walk back into the woods, shoot these things. I'm just gonna walk underneath of it casually. Hopefully it won't fly away. Doesn't look like it's planning on flying away. I'm gonna set you guys down. Alright, I hit the limb in front of it, but the limb was right in front of where I was aiming. I don't know why. Let me know if you guys want me to do a live stream tomorrow. I'll be happy to. So they come back in, come right back in. Yep, they went over. Sorry, my head was out of reach. I was out of frame. I was just looking up top and seeing if I could, find any birds up in the trees. Took a little walk to the back. If I look over to the side or something, I see I'm looking at a rabbit or a dove or a bird, or looking for a bird. So most of the time I'm not even looking at the camera. How long do you think I should keep this series going of just me, you know, just blackbird hunting. I mean, like, we can do some crappie fishing. I got a little pond full of crappie. Well, not stocked to the brim. I mean, like, I just mean, like, there's like 10 or 12 in there. And quick disclaimer, house sparrows, you can shoot them all year. I might shoot one of them later on in the video, or earlier on. Like, I see about 3 of them over where I'm walking. Who knows? I might kill one of them today. But as soon as I get right here, I'm gonna run back because I see about 5 more in a tree of where we just shot them out of. And, you know, see if I can get them before they fly. Sorry for the bad camera angle. I'm walking over a lot of little bumps because that's all it is right over here where I'm at, because we just came back here and did some work back here with machines and knocked down trees and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna start being quiet. See if I can get one of these guys on camera. I might try and kill this one. Just gonna walk around. I'm just hunting these over here, and sometimes they'll come over here. I'm seeing a bird in here, and I want to identify it, so maybe I can shoot it if it's legal. There's 2 of them. I don't know. Leave a comment. I'll try and get a good look at them for you guys. So maybe you guys can comment down below and see if you can identify. Yep, right there. See him? Oh, there you go. Oh, there's another one. I don't know, guys. I have no clue what that is, so I'm not gonna shoot it. He's back there. I don't know. What is that? If you see me taking off running, that's because I said this in an earlier video. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I'm petrified of dogs. Yeah, petrified. I mean, it sucks, but it's like I can't even, you know, be around any, except for mine, because I know they're good. Like, any dog I see, I don't trust them until, like, I get to know them. Or, like, my dad or somebody who knows the people and have been around the dog. Unless it's a puppy. I like puppies. While you're down there, like, trying to tell me what that bird was, go ahead and, you know, just hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there, hit the like button with it. Just support me even more, and maybe I can buy some more equipment to kill some of these birds. I mean, it's pretty fun. If you have a pellet gun, you have like, I only have about 5 anchors, and I just go back here with a pellet gun because my neighbor lets me be in his pine trees and his backyard because he never comes back here and stuff. He said I can do whatever I want back here. So I'm just back here bird hunting. And like in rabbit season, I'll rabbit hunt. Deer season, deer hunt. Squirrel season, squirrel hunt. I mean, it just goes along with the seasons with me. I'll hunt anything if it's in season or if it has no season. Like moles, if I see a mole here, I'll pop its head off because it's destroying his woods back here. And the groundhog, he told me if I see a groundhog, to shoot it. What should I go for? I'll go for this one. This guy's a lone wolf. Hopefully. So I'm gonna set you guys right over here. I'm sorry I went out of frame there, but that guy, I heard it hit him, but I must have like just nicked his wing or something. Like one time I killed the sparrow and both of his feet were gone because of me. He was hopping around in a tree. I was like, what the heck? It healed and stuff. He was adapting to be amputated, but I don't know. Maybe you guys might not see this video, mainly because it might be too early in the evening, and I'll make a second video. I don't know. That's a question that keeps on going through my mind. But if I kill one, then I'm gonna end the video, okay? Because normally I kill one and end the video for you guys. I'm gonna try and get a rabbit on video here to show you guys the rabbits, but and of course, now they're not there. Of course, not there anymore. Ugh. This is the bad part about bird hunting. It's not like you're shooting a target and it's gonna be there 24/7 unless you move it. You can just fly hello. Just like any other animal. You can just walk away, fly away. Whatever the abilities to move on that thing is. One thing that I really want to buy is a phone mount so I can, like mount it on my gun, my phone on my gun, and just film like that. But yeah, my brother was crying earlier because he couldn't get a YouTube channel, and he asked him if he wanted to be my cameraman. He said, "Cameraman's the worst job you could have." And I said, it's one of the best jobs you can have. Alright guys, he's dead and he's about to fall. Alright, this one, I'm just gonna let you guys like walk up on it and stuff. But I don't want to make this video what it needs to be. So. He's still alive. All the blood's in his head. Can we just take him out again? The baby. The dude is done. He's dead. It's a baby one. It's a real small one. Oh no. Listen to this. He's like, I'm gonna try and bury the head right here, but it's like the head's still on it. Don't think I'm that cruel. I'm just gonna put some dirt over top of the head so you guys don't have to see blood. It's a smaller one. So I'm gonna end the video after this, and boom. There's the blackbird. So peace. See you next video. Out with Braden. See ya.